Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active3. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to settings, enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap more, agree, continue. And now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 12 and a low of 3.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.